Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature 7 hot trendy bob transformations. First up, we see someone with very long hair in the form of a braid, and she does end up getting her hair cut to about neck length in the style of this gorgeous bob. So the stylist did add beautiful highlights to this as well, creating a bit of dimension throughout the hair. And this is an absolutely gorgeous bob. So moving into the next transformation, she started off with about mid-length hair, and once again the stylist does cut the hair to a nice bob shape. So she also ended up getting highlights with this one, gorgeous. And I would definitely say that this is more of a longer bob, perfect for if you want to keep some length but you still want to cut your hair. And then getting into the next transformation, so she ends up getting curtain bangs with this, some highlights, and a beautiful neck length style bob, as well as haircut number 4. This also features more of a cascading bob that comes to a back neck length. And then we move on to yet another transformation from that same stylist. So she ends up also getting a nice neck length style bob. So she does have a bit of an angle with this one and beautiful blunt ends. Gorgeous bob transformation. Then moving into bob number 6, this one is by Chris Jones. And this one also comes to about neck length. So here he is just adding some volume on one side of the video projection. He is adding volume with that round brush. And then on the other, he is simply cutting the hair into a bob. So he is showing you how he is cutting the hair as well as styling it. Beautiful. You can definitely tell that that round brush technique gave the hair lots of volume and just added to the overall shape of this classic bob. And then for the last transformation, she's going to be doing more of a neck length style bob once again. Looks like she also got some bangs and a nice pink hair color. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a like if you did, and I will see you in the next one.